Welcome back. So in this final tutorial, I will show you how you can use a few extensions to be able to code in VS Code a little bit better. Specifically, this is for C++. So if you have Python, it should be similar, or JavaScript. But you can go to extension. Let me go to extension. This should have everything you have ever installed, all your extension. That's how it makes VS Code so attractive. These extensions are very useful. So you will see that you have a local and then a remote, and then these are the installed stuff on that. And to install things on the, you want to make sure that you install things on the remote instance. So to install, you can click on this little cloud right here, and then you can search for the extension that you want. The extension that I recommend are C, C++, and C++ extension packs. So you can search C, C++, like that. And you just install the C++, and then if they ask you to install the rest, install the rest. All of them should be made by Microsoft. That should be simple. And then let's go back. So another one I think is a very useful one is the let's see, I think GitHub pull and request issue. I think this one is very good, especially for our class, but I personally prefer using terminal for this, so it's up to you. But once you install all your extensions that you need, these are the only two that I really recommend. You can click on the Explorer. In this case, it will ask to open a folder. So I made a folder. You can see right here, CSC 313. That will be a folder that will contain all my assignments. So let's open it. So you click on Open Folder. So it will show you this path, and then it should be in CSC 313. To create a folder, you can just type mkdir, stand for make directory, and then you name the directory CSC 313. I can't make it anymore because it already exists, so you make it that way. And then once you do that, then you should have this right here. You click on it, and then click OK. So that will open the SSH right here. Beautiful. So then now I already have the two assignments cloned, and I will show you how to do it on a different tutorial. But you can see right here I have the first lab exercise and the first programming assignments. For this tutorial specifically, I will use the first lab exercise. So you click on it and you can see a bunch of files right here. So the goal of this program is to help you learn how to debug and remind yourself of some important concept that you need for 313, and to make sure that your environment works. So you can see right here you have a bunch of things that highlighted. Thanks to the extension, the C++ extension, it will show you what's wrong with the code, and then you can debug it. So let's look at one of them, because I think that's a very good idea to play around. So let's click on, so this first one, let's look at this one. Okay. Mem copy. So how do you know what error it is? So you hover over it, of course, and you can see it say identifier mem copy, mem cpy, is undefined. So usually this means that the function, there's no import, the right library is not imported. So how do you do this? How do you figure out what library mem copy is from? So this trick is more specific for this class, but is very useful. Is you go to something called a manual page, and you will be able to see what exactly is in this mem copy function. So to do that, you access to the terminal. So terminal, new terminal right here, and that should give you a terminal. And then to explore the function mem copy, you type man for manual, mem copy right here, enter, and it will show you a bunch of things right here. It's very cool. So you start with the name. So mem copy, what is it? It's a copy memory area. That's good. And then synopsis, in here you see this is what you need to include in the string h. So you need this. So highlight, and then to copy in a terminal, you highlight and then you right click. Yep, that will do the trick. And then here you copy h and control S, and voila, the mem copy squiggly red squiggly line is gone. That's good. But you can explore further, like what does mem copy do? Well, it has three parameters. It has the destination pointer, a source pointer, and n for the number of bytes. So basically, mem copy will take n bytes from the source memory area and copy it to the destination area, and it's very useful for a lot of use case scenario. And then you can see that it said the memory area must not overlap, so it should not have the same memory area. And use memmove if the memory do overlap for that. And then it will tell you the return value function, return a pointer to the destination. So this and this should be the same, so it should return the same thing. And you can learn a few more things. There are a lot of things. So for a lot of function, there will be a man page for it. So I highly recommend you use this. It's a very powerful tool. So whatever you want to quit. Well, to quit, you just press Q and you're out. So that's it. So then you can go on and debug some more, and then it should show you. But these are the thing that should let you get started on the assignments. So yeah, thank you.